HydroFLOW provides an eco-friendly solution which greatly reduces chemical usage for the harmful effects of limescale, bacteria, algae, and biofouling. Based on over 20 years of experience, HydroFLOW's environmentally friendly technology works with various process liquid systems. A liquefied solution inside a pipe system may contain minerals, such as calcium carbonate dissolved in the form of ions. When temperature increases or pressure drops, the solution becomes supersaturated, which causes the ions to adhere to piping and equipment surfaces in the form of scale. Over time, accumulated scale, along with biofilm that consists of the bacteria and algae from the processed liquid, block the narrow pathways, causing unwanted insulation, reduced heat transfer efficiency, restricted water flow, and higher energy consumption. Eventually, systems need to be opened and cleaned. The process of cleaning the plates requires the use of hazardous chemicals, is time-consuming, and might cause damage to the equipment. The HydroFLOW water conditioner applies an electric signal of 150 kHz throughout the piping system, causing the ions to form clusters. When supersaturation occurs, the clusters precipitate out of the solution and form stable crystals, which do not adhere to piping and equipment. Additionally, the signal agitates the biofilm colonies, causing them to detach and flush out. Bacteria and algae passing through the water conditioner's ring of ferrites are charged by the electrical signal, forming a hydration layer of pure water around the cell. Osmosis forces water into the bacteria and algae cells, creating osmotic pressure, which ruptures the cell membrane and causes it to perish. In addition, the eradication of pathogens is believed to occur due to cell wall degeneration caused by the electrical signal. HydroFLOW, cost-efficient, saving time, money, and manpower. Safe, greatly reduces the need for hazardous chemicals. User-friendly, easy installation as add-on with no need to cut or weld. Green, environmentally friendly system. HydroFLOW.